Hi there and welcome to Unboxing Canada. Today we got something amazing. We have been waiting for 3 months right now. Imagine, we made the order on November 12th, I guess, and we haven't received it yet. So we have to go to a store and see if they have pre-order and all these things. So it was horrible, and I will tell you the rest of the story at the end. So I'll tell you the product here. So we had to open it at the store. So here you can see when we opened it at the store. Okay, so as you saw, we opened it in the store because it just, there, I don't know. It never happened to me when I bought the phone from Apple, but this has just happened in Rogers and never happened to me before. But anyway, so we got the phone here, and it is here, iPhone. You know what? I'll not tell you. Let's open it and see what's inside it. So this is the box. Okay, this is background. And here it is. iPhone Pro Max 12. Okay. So let's see here. It has 3 cameras. 1, 2, 3. And here is the flash. This is the flash. And if you go here, so I didn't open that, the rest of this. It's still, the sticker is still there. But it just, they say that they need to open it to check if there's any damage in it. But anyway, here it is. We open it together. iPhone 12 Pro Max. As you can see here. Okay, so it's really amazing how the camera is. It is really bigger than the one that I have, and the one I have is iPhone X, and this one is here. See how amazing it is, how clean, how wide it is. We just need to put the covers and all these things, so I'll just need to buy a cover and all this. So this is 256 gigabyte, and we have another one that's coming in. So it's blue color, as you can see here. In terms of the things, it's, I think, similar with all the other phones, with all the other phones, the setup. So we'll just go to English, and then, Canada, we're in Canada, and then we go with the setup. Let's see what's inside the box other than the phone. See how it is from here, right? Amazing. I think it reminds me with iPhone 5, I guess. It used to have the same edge as this one here. In terms of iPhone X, this is thinner, but here it's really a little bit wider, and so it reminds me, so I think it's iPhone 5. So anyway, this is the phone. So let's see what's inside the box. As you can see here, it says designed by Apple in California. So anyway, it comes with a charger. Now the difference between this charger and the other charger is, or the previous chargers, is here. Let's see, let's open it first. Let me show you what is the difference. Okay, so you see it is different in terms of the previous ones. It used to be a USB, right? Now here it's different. It's completely different. So we had to buy with it a power adapter. So the power adapter here, so it can adapt to this one instead of the USB. So the previous ones we have is a USB, so this wouldn't work with it. So that's why we got this adapter here. So it's a power adapter. It's an Apple power adapter. And if you can see here, it's 20W USB power adapter. Elimination USB, all these numbers here. Okay, so let's open it here. That's the power adapter. So excited about this phone, really. See, it's bigger than the old Apple adapters. So old Apple adapters are a little bit fatter and smaller, but this one here is so huge, so big. And if you see here, that's why it is different, and we have to buy. So it means that the old adapters wouldn't work on wouldn't work on this wire. So basically what you can do, it's still the old charger, the old wire, an old adapter, they can still charge this phone. But because this one here wire came with the phone itself, so we had to buy another adapter for it. Let's see what else is in the box. So I think here is the set for opening the SIM card. Yes, it always comes in Apple, but the only difference is that I remember the old Apple is that this is more thinner, but I mean in terms of this one, it's the same. And they always have the Apple logo. So some people, they attach it to their phone, like people like me are crazy about Apple, but some people just throw it. They don't even do it. Anyway, so I was waiting really to do this video unboxing for the iPhone Pro Max 12 as soon as I get it, but really it took a long time. It's 3 months right now. So anyway, in terms of the let's see if there's anything else behind this. Well, there's nothing. But anyway, in terms of the adapter, it has like a manual guide, the guide here. So you can read it if you want. Power adapter, all the information about it. Let's go back to the phone and see. I mean, really, it's so huge, it's so big. The edge. Amazing. I think in terms of the functionality, it's the same as the other phones. In terms, not the functionality, in terms of the apps and everything, because always Apple updates. So let's go to, we clicked on Canada, right? So set up manually. So this one here, I have to check the other phone in order to move the data from the old phone to this phone, and then go ahead. So if you guys have any comments or any anything you want us, or any information, or if you want us to put another video, so we'll try to put another video in terms of the functionality and put it in our channel, which is Learn With Us How To. We'll show you what things are functionality, what are the difference between this one and iPhone X, so iPhone 12 and iPhone X, because I have an iPhone X. And yeah, that will be another video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm really excited. You know, whenever I get something, just unbox it with you guys in Unboxing Canada. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and maybe the next video, or as soon as we get the other phone, which will be iPhone Pro Max 512 gigs, we'll make another video just to show you when we unbox it. Thank you guys. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and have a good day.